In front of me is OPPO Reno15 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Start by selecting an app you wanna use in this view and launching it in the background. Now click on those three dots at the top right corner, and when you see this pop-up, hit split view. Now tap on the second app and enjoy using both at once. If you want to resize one of those windows, just hold this line in the middle and drag it. You can use the same one to exit split screen by swiping one of your apps all the way up or all the way down, then tapping on Home button. You can also close split screen by accessing background apps again and swiping it. But most people miss that you can always click on those three dots available at the top of both apps and check out all of those options. You can tap on Expand if you want to resize chosen app now. You can click on Switch App to switch currently used one with any of the other ones. Select Close to close it completely, leaving only the other one open. Or tap on Split Screen. Sorry, misclick. Or tap on Full Screen here in order to exit split screen and access this app in full screen view. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!